Set builder notation, explained for algebra domain. Have you ever wondered how to express a set of numbers without listing them all? Today, we will talk about set builder notation and how it relates to the domain of functions in algebra, especially linear relationships. Set builder notation is a concise way to describe a set by stating the properties that its members must meet. This is especially useful when discussing the domain of a function. The domain is simply the set of all possible input values for which a function is defined. For instance, take the linear function defined as f of x equals to x plus 3. The domain of this function includes all real numbers, meaning you can substitute any real number for x and still get a valid output. Now let's look at how set builder notation is structured. It uses curly braces, a variable, a vertical bar or colon, and a condition. It looks like this. X condition on a. This reads as the set of all such that the condition on is true. For our linear function example, since the domain is all real numbers, we can express it in set builder notation as x in the set of real numbers is a real number. This means we are including all x values that belong to the set of real numbers. What if there are restrictions on the domain? Set builder notation can clearly express those as well. For example, if we have a function where the domain is all real numbers less than or equal to 3 or greater than or equal to 4, we can write it as x in the set of real numbers is less than or equal to 3 or x is greater than or equal to 4. This makes it clear which x values are allowed. Understanding the domain is essential when graphing linear functions. Knowing which x values to include helps create accurate graphs. While many linear functions have domains that are all real numbers, sometimes we limit the domain for specific reasons or constraints. Set builder notation provides a straightforward way to express these domains. Using set builder notation simplifies communication about domains, especially when the domain is defined by inequalities or other conditions. It is a clear method to describe the input values allowed for functions in algebra. So, the next time you encounter a function, remember that set builder notation is a handy tool to express its domain, making it easier to work with linear relationships and their graphs.